Hi, I'm Daniel Tapie, and I would like to welcome you to Softron's first virtual exhibition. We are very excited to bring you this experience, and there are a lot of reasons to be excited. 2021 has been Softron's best year ever, and we are seeing our on-the-air video 4 being deployed in many stations across America and around the world. This is largely due to all the new features we've added this year. mReplay was a cornerstone at the recent Tokyo Games, thanks to the new features of the 24-hour recording and the loop recording. And Movie Recorder 4.4 added a ton of features to make everyone from producers, directors, and engineering teams a lot happier. We would have enjoyed sharing this with you in person here in beautiful Las Vegas. But even before NAB was cancelled, we decided we should create a virtual event, so that more people could participate from the safety of their homes or offices. During the week when NAB was scheduled for, we will have many things going on. First, we will have videos explaining the new features of our products. These will be available today. It's like having a personal demonstration on our booth. And what I'm most excited about are the live sessions where we will be interviewing real users and you will be able to ask them questions online via chat on YouTube. These sessions will happen on Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday at 10 a.m. Pacific Time or 7 p.m. Central European Time. Finally, we will also be available for one-to-one meetings with everyone in the team, including myself. And you can already book these meetings online from this page now. So we are really looking forward to meeting you virtually this year. And now, here's Pierre Chevalier to tell you all about the new features we have to show.
Thank you, Daniel. It's now been 2 years since the last trade show, so I think there's a lot to catch up. I wanted to highlight a few of the important new features that we've introduced recently. And I'll start with Movie Recorder, which is now a universal application. It can run natively on the Apple M1 silicon computers. It can really harness the full power of that computer. For example, we can encode up to 8 HD channels in HEVC in real time. Most of our applications are now universal, and you can easily recognize them because they have that new icon we've introduced. There's a lot more to know about the M1 compatibility, so I invite you to come to our live shows if you have questions, and we'll be happy to answer them. Still, in Movie Recorder, we have added a few new features, such as the support for the NXHR, the control of a video router directly from Movie Recorder, or the trigger of Apple scripts from scheduled recordings. This is used, for example, to control a video router to make sure that the correct source is used for your recording. And we can also now create a new file when a timecode break is detected. In mReplay, for our friends doing sports production, the new version of mReplay extends the maximum session duration from 9 hours to 25 hours. And if that's not enough, we have added the ability to do a loop recording. What this will do, when we reach the end of the session, we will start writing back at the beginning, which means that you can record forever and ever. And it's very useful for time-shifting solutions. You can go back in time up to 25 hours back. Now on to on-the-air video. Our users love the many new features of on-the-air video 4, such as the output preview window, the secondary audio output, the built-in CG called the DGO, or the transitions, just to name a few. When used for 24/7 broadcast operations, the new scheduler and the integration with traffic software with advanced features, the new SCUDA triggers and the support for more subtitling formats really helps for wide adoption from TV stations worldwide of on-the-air video 4 as a main automation software. And for live shows, we are adding 2 new very exciting features in on-the-air video. First, the hyperdeck emulation. It allows you to control on-the-air video directly from an item, so the operator can control which clip plays next. You can then bring the ease of use of on-the-air video into the item. This will make production so easy. The second feature we are adding is 10-bit support. This is a huge quality improvement. It's a major change in our playout engine for all our applications. We are working to support as many 10-bit codecs as possible, so you will be able to play not only ProRes, but also the NXHR, H.264, and HEVC 10-bit files. Softron is really committed to providing easy and affordable solutions. We want our software to integrate easily in your workflow. They can either control or be controlled by third-party devices or simply from a web page. In OnDI Video, we are doing even more, as we are building the blocks to make OnDI Video controllable remotely directly from the OnDI Video user interface. This is very useful to control multiple channels on different computers just from one workstation, or to control a OnDI Video in a machine room remotely. We are very excited with this new feature. This was a brief summary of some of the major features that I wanted to highlight, but of course there is more than that. On October 11, 12, 13, make sure to join our live if you have more questions or just to chat. We'll be there to answer any questions that you may have. And if it's not enough, book a one-to-one meeting with one of us. And in any case, we're impatient to show you what we've been working on. So see you there, and back to you, Daniel.
Thank you, Pierre, and thank you everyone for making 2021 our best year ever. Please enjoy our first virtual exhibition. Thank you.